The St. Catherine Parish Court is expected to be crowded on Wednesday after close to 10,000 traffic tickets were registered for a special court initiative called the Traffic Ticket Public Day. As Jamaica Maitland now explains, the figure, though alarming, represents less than 5% of the actual outstanding tickets issued in the parish.
The Court Administration Division CAD says 9,917 tickets have been registered for the Traffic Ticket Day at the St. Catherine Parish Court on Wednesday, March 4. Motorists with outstanding tickets from as far back as February 1, 2018 were encouraged to register to settle the matters. Registration closed at midnight on February 20. It was opened for a month. TVJ News understands that the 9,917 tickets represents just about 5% of the actual outstanding traffic tickets in the parish. Communications Director at the CAD, Kadish Jarrett Fletcher, says there is a backlog of roughly 200,000 outstanding traffic tickets in St. Catherine. Mrs. Jarrett Fletcher says anyone who did not register and has outstanding traffic tickets are at risk of being arrested on a warrant. She told the TVJ News that the courts will not be accepting walk-ins on Wednesday. Registered persons were given a time frame to appear before a judge. The CAD says this was in an effort to efficiently manage the process, which can be exhaustive. Those who did not register and show up will be given a date to return. In anticipation of the crowd, Mrs. Jarrett Fletcher says only traffic tickets will be dealt with on Wednesday. 5 courtrooms have been made available. A 6th is being contemplated. Additional judges are also on standby. The CAD says it is aware that matters will extend beyond its usual court operations time, and so there will be night court to facilitate as many people as possible. Jamaica Maitland, TVJ News.
And staying in St. Catherine, the police have announced that some roads will be closed as of 4 p.m. on Tuesday to prepare for the traffic ticket day at the parish court. Head of the St. Catherine North Police Division, SSP Hopton Nicholson, provided the details.
In the vicinity of Old Market Street, traffic heading southerly will be diverted onto Old Market Street. Now the next road closure will be along White Church Street in the vicinity of Wellington Street. Traffic proceeding northerly will be diverted onto Wellington Street.
SSP Nicholson says there will be no parking in the vicinity of the court. He says designated parking will be available to those coming for the day.
The Prison Oval, the St. Jago Cathedral, one of the bus park along White Church Street, as well as a number of other areas will be designated. Police officers will be strategically placed.
You know anything about any shuttle being provided?
From my understanding, one should be provided from the Prison Oval, but the other parking areas are within walking distance from the court, and also police personnel will be deployed along those corridors as well.
And the police are encouraging those attending court or working in or around the area to have their government-issued IDs to gain access to the courts or its environs on Wednesday, March 4.